Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload and set a brand new logo for your WordPress website using a free logo design plugin. By the end of this step-by-step tutorial, you'll have a professional logo live on your site, ready to leave a strong first impression on every visitor. Let's dive right in. So you've designed your logo, maybe using Canva Looka, or one of those fantastic free plugins created just for WordPress users. Every website deserves a unique look. And your logo is a huge part of that personality. It's like the welcoming handshake for your brand. Now let's get it set up. First, we'll open up your site identity settings in WordPress. If you're using a classic theme like Astra, Ocean WP, or other traditional themes, head to your main dashboard. Find Appearance in the sidebar. Then click Customize if you're on a newer block theme. Or if you're using full site editing, click Appearance, then Editor. The entry points are a little different, but the destination is the same. We want to get into the area where you tweak your site's branding elements. Once you're in, look for the Site Identity section. This is where WordPress lets you set not just your logo, but also details like your site name and tagline. Click on Select Logo. You'll see an option to upload your logo file, whether it's a PNG, SVG, or JPEG. Just grab it from your computer. Bro tip: PNGs with transparent backgrounds usually work best for logos, since they blend in with any header design, whether it's light, dark, or colorful. After you've uploaded your file, WordPress will prompt you to crop the logo. Some themes require a specific shape or aspect ratio. Don't worry if it asks you to adjust the crop. Just take a moment and make sure your design is centered and recognizable in the space available. If you're working with a simpler text-only logo, you might not need to crop at all. Take your time here, even if it takes a few tries. This is what all your visitors will see at the top of your site. Next comes refining the placement. Look for the image width slider or similar options, typically near your logo preview. This is where you adjust the size, making sure your logo fits neatly within your header layout and isn't too large or too tiny. Think of it like hanging a picture. You want it to grab attention but not overwhelm the room. Start by dragging the slider slowly. As you do, watch how your logo sits within the space. If you have a very horizontal logo, sometimes a little extra width helps it look sharper. For compact square logos, you might want to pull it back a bit. And remember, some themes show a live preview as you adjust, so you can see exactly how your changes affect your site. Once you're happy with the look and placement, the final step is to make it official. Scroll down and click Save Changes or Publish, depending on your theme. This step pushes your new logo live for all visitors to see. Take a breath, you did it. Refresh your site and admire your new professional branding. And that's it, your new logo is ready to give your WordPress website a polished, custom feel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please do me a favor. Like this video. Drop your questions in the comments if anything wasn't clear or you ran into trouble. And hit subscribe so you don't miss out on more practical WordPress tips. Thanks for watching and good luck personalizing your site.